Good morning, everybody. We're here today at the Dollar General in Jacksonville, Florida. Dollar General is a small little neighborhood store. Uh, you see them scattered around all the neighborhoods here in the South. We're going to go ahead and take a walk inside. Sorry about the background noise. These little neighborhoods are kind of a small grocery store, hardware shop. They have a range of food and clothes and hygiene products. Uh, they are open 7 days a week, as you can see here by the sign. But we're just going to take a walk through here, and I'll stop and show you the prices on a few things. As you can see, when you first walk in, we've got chips, sodas, juices. Yeah, I don't know what the heck that is. Blue raspberry. I've never seen a blue raspberry before. You see here, they also got beer and wine. Got some eggs and some luncheon meats. Cereal right next to the beer. Alright. Of course, you got to have milk. And some frozen goods. As you see, they've got a selection here of sodas and 170 for a 2 liter of Coca-Cola. This big old jar of pickles, $5.50. They don't have a very wide selection of anything. They've got a lot of different things. You see some bug spray and whatnot. Okay, of course, here's the Pepsi, the 2 liters for $1.50. Some laundry baskets here, some Tupperware on the left. Coffee machines here, some baking dishes. Of course, we got some mixes here for your desserts and your cakes and brownies. $2.35 here for this brownie mix. Looks like this cake mix is $1.15. Of course, you got to have some frosting. $1.75 for Betty Crocker here. Some more cereal. See, they got cereal in a couple different places. Laundry detergent, toilet paper, a whole aisle full of stuff for pets. Some pillows, trash cans. Like I said, they just have a lot of different things scattered around. These stores are scattered throughout the South. You see this a lot in small stores. I'm sorry, small cities. Here you see they've got this all set up for the summer, so we get all these water toys and flotation devices and whatnot. Of course, we got some napkins. Here's an outdoor section with garden hoses and charcoal for your barbecues. They even have some small barbecue grills as well that they sell here. Coolers, pots, outdoor cushions. Like I said, this place is not a very large place, but as you see, they carry a large selection. People that are here from the United States, here from the South, will be familiar with these stores. They're known for their cheap products. Here we have a selection of little small toys. If you need something and you just want to run and grab something, they're a great place to go. If you don't want to go into Walmart, Walmart is always such a hassle. You have to go in. It's huge. You have to walk miles and miles and wait in tremendous lines. As you can see here, we've got some clothes. And of course, here's some soaps and dish soap and cards and gift wrap. Even some piñatas. A little bit of housewares. You see they've got clocks and candles. They also have picture frames, some framed art supplies, poster boards, glues, crayons, things like that. Even some DVDs, some movies here. I'm not really focusing a lot on the prices. It's just to give you an overview of all the different things they carry here at the store. You see here some towels and dish rags and some automotive stuff here on the right. Some bed linens here on the left. Motor oil. Excuse me. Like I said, these stores you find a lot in small towns as well as in getting through the neighborhoods, and they're just alrighty. Well, I appreciate you watching the video. If you'd like me to make a more detailed video where I go through and show more of the prices, just shoot me a message or put it down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's always more fun in Florida. Take care.